we're going to do the most basic, versatile rig. There is the paternoster. So say you're fishing off the beach, going for whiting or herring at surf beach, tying a little star sinker, the knot I use, go around the main line and your finger twice, back under and through the loop. A little bit of spit for lube, snig it down, trim the tag, and we'll measure, say roughly, almost an arm's length, and double it. Now we'll tie a figure 8 knot, which is a granny knot. Split the two and come round from the back. That makes a figure 8. Snip one of the two. That gives you your first dropper. Measure it out again, another loop, another figure 8 knot. Now you can just do a single granny knot to make your double. But I find that sometimes they pull out. Same thing, snip one of the doubles that gives you your second dropper. And then we just put a small loop at the top, which is a figure 8 again, only small, and that connects to your swivel, your clip swivel, on the end of your rod. So today, using a mustard 3.0 Demon circle hook. So now we'll tie the hook on. Go through the eye, and you want roughly 5, maybe 6 inches. 1, 2, 3, around the tip of your finger, under, through. Just make sure the knot lays down. Trim the tag. Here's the first dropper. On the next hook. Same again. 1, 2, 3 loops around your main line. Under, through. And the knot should lay down nice, like a figure 8. Trim the tag. There you have it. That rig there, if you want to chase jewies or snapper or in deep water, just beef it up, 100 pound, bigger hooks, bigger sinkers.